I am outside the White House with Emmeline here, and she's here to protest with us. Let's talk to her. Emmeline, what brings you here? Why are you here? Why do you support Imran Khan? What's going on?
I support Imran Khan because I support justice and human rights for everyone across the globe. I've known who Imran Khan was for some years, and a couple years ago, or in the spring of 2022, when I found out he was going to be ousted, I couldn't understand why, because he is so popular. And so I started Googling it, started reading, started researching the issue of whether the United States was behind it or not. And I also started researching more Imran Khan himself. I took a very deep dive. And here's what I'll say. If you hear Imran Khan speak, you will be enlightened. If you study Imran Khan, you will be inspired. If you get to know him, his philosophies, what a deep person he is, what an expanse, how much he has contributed to all of humanity for many, many years. To know Imran Khan is to love Imran Khan. So I stand with the people of Pakistan, not only because of Imran Khan. He has inspired so many people that I have witnessed in the last year what I call democracy in motion. I have never seen such a mass movement of people come out and be inspired by one person. And the sad thing for me is that my fellow citizens missed it completely because Western journalism and media did not cover this democracy in motion. So I'm here to participate and support.
My name is Rizwan Samad, and Where are you from Seattle, Washington. And I'm a longtime friend of Imran Khan. Albert Einstein said 17 years ago, the world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing anything. So today, I want to point out to the President,
That's White House right there.
White House over there, that Mr. President, I'm an American. I've been with the Democratic Party for over 40 years since I was a teenager. I believe in democracy. I believe in justice. I believe in human rights. We promote democracy. We promote justice in this country. But at the same token, we go to the other part of the world and democratically elected prime minister be overthrown by corrupt and criminal establishment. These kind of tricks and playing games with a third world country is not beneficial for America. Number one, people are watching. We are in a different time. This is not the time and back in the days where we can go all over the world and change the nation. We are living in today's day where the social media is what? We have over 1 million Pakistani lives in America, and their relatives and other people. I promise you, Mr. President, I am a lifetime Democrat. I will vote for Democrat, but I will not vote for you because you destroyed my mother nation. You created a poverty. You put this great man who could be the Western ally, who educated and studied in the Western world. He could have been the best partner of America. He could have abolished poverty. He could have abolished crime, which would be beneficial for America. It is all beneficial. When we choose a criminal as a partner, who they will never, if they're not loyal to their own country, how could they be loyal to America? We have to understand, we have to find a partner who is best interest for America. And Imran Khan Niazi is the best interest for America. I will tell you, when Nelson Mandela was in jail for 27 years, he was not against America. He was for the people. Imran Khan Niazi is a name like Nelson Mandela of Pakistan. Remember that. These people born in century. He is not an ordinary man. If you think he's an ordinary man, you are mistakenly. I want to send a message to Tony Blinken, the Secretary of State. Mr. Blinken, stop mingling in Pakistan. Please, you cannot destroy Pakistan. Pakistani people love Pakistan. I want to say at the end, Martin Luther quote, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Thank you.
Well said. Well said.
Don't take it for granted. Imran Khan is an honest man. He's an innocent man. He has a track record of being a humanitarian. He's the only person that I know of who has built cancer hospitals in the world.
السلام علیکم. ہم نے یہ حلف آج لینا ہے سب نے, اور اس کا مقصد کیا ہے کہ اپنی allegiance ایک دفعہ پھر, living here in the United States, we are pledging our allegiance to our country, to our leader عمران خان. تو میں رائٹ ہینڈ اپنا اونچا کیجئے, میں بولوں گا, آپ اس کے ساتھ میرے پیچھے ریپیٹ کیجئے گا. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. ہم حلف اٹھاتے ہیں کہ اللہ کے سوا کسی کے آگے نہیں جھکیں گے, کہ ہم پاکستان کی آزادی اور خود مختاری کو یقینی بنائیں گے, اور ان کے خلاف کی جانے والی تمام اندرونی اور بیرونی سازشوں کا بھرپور مقابلہ کریں گے, کہ ہم پاکستان کے عوام کی خودداری پر کوئی آنچ نہیں آنے دیں گے, اور اپنی قومی حمیت کا دفاع کریں گے, کہ ہم عمران خان کی پاکستان کے لیے خدمات اور اس کے دل میں اس کی محبت کا اعادہ کرتے ہیں, کہ ایک آزاد, خود مختار اور خوددار پاکستان ہماری پہچان, ہماری آن اور ہماری منزل ہے, جس کے حصول کے لیے ہم عمران خان کے شانہ بشانہ اور قدم بقدم چلیں گے. ہم عہد کرتے ہیں کہ اس جدوجہد کو پایہ تکمیل تک پہنچائیں گے, کوئی کوشش واگزار نہیں کریں گے. اللہ ہمارا اور پاکستان کا حامی و ناصر ہو. آمین. پاکستان زندہ باد, عمران خان زندہ باد, پاکستان زندہ باد. سار بے شمار بے شمار بے شمار بے شمار